Post-movie subliminal measurement can help answer key questions in understanding the neuroprocessing underlying social perception, such as how contextual knowledge bias our implicit response toward others.
Implicit bias is a very challenging phenomenon to investigate. By presenting stimuli for very brief periods of time, one can measure the implicit response of the brain that precedes conscious processing. In our new paradigm, we are presenting movies to experimental subjects to shape their implicit bias.
This can be relevant to researchers who are interested in investigating social perception and implicit bias among social groups that cannot be differentiated based on their appearances, such as political groups, religious groups, groups with different sexual orientation, and more.
The following protocol will be demonstrated by Marita Katelus and Johan Westö. Upon arrival of the participants, they are briefed with the stages of the experiment, risks and usage of their data. The briefing is concluded with asking if they have any questions regarding the experiment, and that further briefing will be delivered after the experiment is done. The participant reads the briefing of the experiment and signs the consent form. The participant is asked to remove all metal objects from their clothing or preferably change to a metal-free lab cloth. The body of the participant should be scanned using metal detection to assure no metal was forgotten to be taken off. Standard contraindications to MRI should be respected.